How to reset keyboard to default setting on a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other Samsung S25 series. By default, set the keyboard on your device. If you customize keyboard size, keyboard layout on your device and want to set the default keyboard setting, open the app drawer on your device, tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to general management, tap on a general management. Again scroll down. Here you can see the Samsung keyboard setting option. Tap on it. Again scroll down until you can find the option reset to default setting on a Samsung S25 series or any other latest Samsung device. Tap the reset to default settings. Here at the top you can find reset keyboard setting option on your phone. So tap on a reset keyboard setting option. Now you can see the pop-up reset keyboard settings. The audio and language won't be deleted. Tap on a reset to reset keyboard to default setting on a Samsung S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung S25 series. That's it. Like it, share it.